A lot of conversation this morning on the program about the Southern Cross flag, the Confederate flag that so many groups tend to fly around here and express it as a symbol of their heritage and their history and not a symbol of hatred. Well, I'm not going to disagree with them. I'm not disinclined to agree with their notions. However, they do have to understand that there is a history behind this symbol's use for oppression from the 50s and 60s. And therefore, if you really think about it, it's why the current Georgia flag is so brilliant. And it also does make you question the motives of people who question the Georgia flag itself, the current Georgia flag, or who actually wanted to vote out a governor for not restoring that one particular Confederate icon to the flag of the state. The current flag of the state is actually what is known as the Stars and Bars. So many people wanted the Stars and Bars returned to the flag. What they call the Stars and Bars is not the Stars and Bars. The Stars and Bars was the original Confederate flag, national flag. It is the red stripe, the white stripe, and then the other red stripe with the blue field, which then had 13 stars within it. The current Georgia flag is identical to that, though instead of the star field, it just simply shows the seal of the state of Georgia because it doesn't represent all 13 states, just ours. And it does represent all the people, and the Southern Cross symbol, I'm sorry to tell you, wouldn't represent all the people. It's a symbol that, sure, maybe it represents your heritage and maybe it represents your history. And I understand that and can respect that in one context. But in another context, when it was being co-opted for other purposes, more nefarious purposes, more evil purposes, you weren't standing up there defending it as a symbol of your heritage then and telling people not to use it for the wrong purposes. To me, that means you lost it.